Yes, ito po yung ating nahuling mga isda nung mag-fishing tayo. Dahil marami po. Sayang naman, gagawin natin fermented fish juice. Tatatari natin yan at gigilingin natin dito. Haluan ng asukal na pula. So, 1 kilong isda, 1 kilong asukal na pula. Ito po ang ating halo. At ibuburo natin ng 1 buwan. Pagkatapos ng 1 buwan, natin pong kakatasin. Kukunin natin yung juice niya. Yun po ang fermented fish juice. Ang ginagamit ko pong pandilig sa ating mga halaman. Organic fertilizer po. Fermented fish juice. Sa 1 litrong tubig, 2 kutsara, tablespoon po, 2 kutsara. Sa 1 litrong tubig, yun po ating ihalo. Haluin maigi at pandilig pang spray sa ating mga halaman. Pwede rin nyo rin mo gawing 3 kutsara o 3 tablespoons sa 1 litrong tubig. Haluin maigi at pandilig sa mga halaman. Pampalusog, pampabulaklak, pampabunga, gulay man yan o prutas o ornamental. Yan po ang aking ginagamit na organikong pantaba, pandilig sa ating mga halaman at pang-spray. So simulan na po natin ang proseso, paano natin gawin. Paano natin to i-fermented. Tatagtarin natin at gigilingin natin dito. And then habang ginigilin, haluan ng asukal. And then ibuburo natin sa marinis na lalagyan sa loob ng 1 buwan. So simulan na po natin. Nagawa po tayo ng fermented fish juice. Kailangan natin ng panggiling. Ito na po yun. Kaya muna natin, gumagana. Hindi pa. Hindi po gumagana. Kailangan po gumana siya. Ewan ko ba tayo gumana to. Saksak naman. Okay. So, una-una. Ito po yung ating asukal na pula. Wala pong asukal na pula. Molasses. Wala pong molasses dito. Kaya asukal po yung ating gamit. Asukal na pula. Okay. Kailangan natin ng kutsilyo at tantaran. Ito po yung ating isda. Ating gagamiting fermented fish juice. Ang dami. Kailangan natin itong hiwain maliliit para madaling gilingin. Yan po, hiwain para madaling gilingin. May mic na tayo. Mic.
Let's pretend to be cats. Meow. Meow. Meow.
Oh, mic. Tapos,
Meow. Good job.
ito pong ating ginagawa ay fermented fish juice. organikong pandilig, pang-spray sa ating mga halaman. Lalaki. Natin kung nahuli yan, tayo po ay mamimit. Natin nihiwa para madali po natin magiling.
Can you say go? Go! Say go, and some cars will come out. Ready? Set,
Natin ang asukal.
go! Wow! Wow! Cars!
Ayan natin konting tubig.
Let's do more. Let's do more. Ready? Set, go! More cars! More cars!
Ayan, humay.
Yay!
Ganyan po ako gumawa ng fermented fish
On my
juice.
head? No. No, no. You shake your head, no. No. Does Puppy want the ball? Yes. Yes. Not yes. Puppy wants the ball. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes! I want the ball. Yes. Yes.
Ayan. Pwede na po ito. Ayan. Lagyan natin sa balde na malinis.
How big is baby? So big. Can you put your arms up? Arms up. Arms up. How big is baby? So big. Good job.
Ayan. Ganyan naman po, paulit-ulit hanggang matapos po natin. Magiling lahat. At tatakpan natin ko ng malinis na tela. Buburo ng 1 buwan. Ganyan po ang paggawa ng fermented fish juice.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with
Ulit. Hanggang maubos natin to.
Where is the bird? Can you say I don't know? I don't know. Can you do that? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Let's call him to come out. Say bird with me. Bird. tree.
Gamit yung isang ano, parang mahina to ha. Namoy ah.
Slowly, slowly,
Yung isa nga,
very
baka kung malan sa kamay ko.
creeps the garden snail. Slowly,
Lamang po ah.
slowly, very slowly, up the wooden hill. Quickly, 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 with the little mouse.
Amari! Amari, Amari!
That was fun. Let's do it again. Slowly, slowly, very slowly creeps the garden snail. Slowly, slowly, very slowly.
Yung malakas. Kasi kanina mahina eh.
Quickly, quickly, very
Oh,
quickly.
usahan natin ulit.
Quickly, quickly, very quickly.
Hiwa ulit tayo. Ulit, tuloy-tuloy lang hiwain and then
Mouse, there we go. Quick, quick, and slow like the snail. Quick, quick like the mouse, and slow like the snail. Good job!
yun po paggawa ng fermented fruit
The
juice.
spider went up the water step. Down
Tama po yung tinik, lahat po.
Watch the spider out, out in the sun and try to follow the rain. And itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Let's do more. Let's do that again. Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down in the rain and watch the spider out. Out in the sun and try to follow the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Great job! You're spider!
Ang ating asukal,
Can you
at konting tubig.
toast with me? I'm toast in the toaster. I'm getting very hot. Tick tock, up I pop. Let's do that again. That was fun. I'm toast in the toaster. I'm getting very hot. Tick tock, up I pop.
Hanggang madurog po siya, saka natin nalagay po sa ating pag-iimbakan o ipiferment natin isang buwan para maging fermented fish juice. Pang-spray, pandilig sa ating mga ram. Okay, ayun ba sa padurog?
Let's try marching.
Sa ating malapot.
Marching, 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 marching. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Running, 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 running. Stop. Now we stop. Let's go. Faster. Okay, let's try it. Marching, 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 marching. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop.
Ano po, sahin ulit natin sa ating balde.
Now we stop. Wow.
Ito natin buburo ng isang buwan.
Awesome job at following directions. Okay.
Yan.
Look! Bubbles! Can you say bubble? Bubble! Bubble! Let's blow some bubbles. Ready? Set? Go! Wow! Pop! Pop! I'm popping the bubbles. Should we do more bubbles? Should we do more? Should we do more? Okay, let's do more bubbles. More bubbles. Beautiful bubbles. Let's do more.
Aming,
Beautiful.
ano makunat yung balat
Pop. Can you say pop? Pop. Pop. Pop the bubbles. Pop. Good job.
Sumutin natin para magang sagapat pag ating pag ano natin.
The more we get together, the more we get together, the happier. Because your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier.
Okay?
The more we get together,
Okay, ulit tayo.
we get together, the happier. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together,
Masyado matigas yung patikpik. Tanggalin na lang natin. Masyado pong matigas.
What's that? What is that? It's a ball. Ball. Can you say ball? Ball. Throw the ball, catch the ball. Throw the ball, catch the ball. Yay! Throw the ball, catch the ball. Throw the ball. Uh-oh. Can you say that? Uh-oh. I dropped the ball. Oh no! Uh-oh! I'll pick it up. Here it is. I found it. I found the ball. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Throw the ball.
Parang pa natin gigilingin, no? Dami pa.
Roll. Roll the ball. Roll the ball. Roll the ball. Let's roll it. Roll. Yay. This little piggy went to market. This little piggy had hands. This little piggy had both feet. And this little piggy had none. And this little piggy went
Sukal. Ayan.
all the way.
Lagi lalagyan ng asukal. Para sabay ng halo. Kung wala pong asukal o meron kayong molasses, nabibili po yun sa mga tubuhan. Molasses, maganda po yun. Ay, wala tayong molasses dito, kaya asukal lang ginagamit natin. Ay,
Let's give a high
Ay.
five.
Ano naman po, ang bilis. Bilis ko lang pag may ganito kayo. Napakabilis.
High five! High five! So fun! High five! Yay! Giving a high five! High five!
Excuse me po.
High five!
Tanggalin natin palikpik kasi yung tigas.
That's some blocks.
Tiga anong nudurog.
These are blocks.
Siguro mamaya na lang pag puro palikpik na lang.
Up. Up.
Ang laki oh.
Up. 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 Whoa. Uh-oh. Kaboom. The blocks fell down. Kaboom. Uh-oh.
Sariwa-sariwa po ito. Ang huli natin.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Look, it's a little pink bunny. Let's say go and see what happens. Set.
Tangang asukal.
One step, two step, tickle you under there. Round and round the garden, the little bunny goes. Hippity hop, he's gonna get your nose. Round and round the garden.
Ating ginagawa ay fermented peach juice.
Scurry, 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 into his little house.
Pinilinis po natin para madali po siya ma-fermented. I-ferment natin sila ng isang buwan. At saka kakatasin, pipigain, kukunin yung pure na fermented peach juice. At yun ang ating gagamiting organikong pandilig pang-spray sa ating mga halaman. Lagyan natin sa balde. Ayan. Sarin po natin. Nahihirapan yung
Wow! It's a shape sorter. Let's
nagbabara siya.
in.
Kunat yung balat.
Star. Star. And I did it. Can you say I did it? I did it. Triangle. Triangle. And square. You say in. Put it in, put it in, put it in. You did it. You did it.
Stack up na po.
Circle.
Tatadtarin na lang natin.
Circle.
Nag-stack up na, oh.
No.
Ayaw na.
No. Does it go here? No.
Sira.
No.
So, bye-bye.
You say in, and we'll put it in.
Sira. Bye-bye na po.
Put it in, put it in.
Ito na po yung ating giniling na isda.
We did it.
Diba, tatadtarin na lang natin.
Can you
Kasi nasira po yung ating gilingan. Ayan, sira. So, tatadtarin na lang natin to.
tick tock, tick tock? I'm a
Kailangan ubusin natin to para hindi masayang ating
top.
gawa. Kasi nag-ano siya eh. Yun, no? Nahirapan siya. Napakakunat ng balat. Ayan. Nakuha na natin yung bara. Ay, sakit.
Great job!
sira.
On. On. Put
Ayaw na umikot.
it
Oh,
on, put it on.
ayaw na.
Put it on, put it on, put it on. Yay! Put it on, put it on. We're putting the rings on. Put the rings on the
Sira
center.
tayo.
Yay! That was fun.
Tingnan ko mamaya, ba't nasunog?
Red.
Natuluan ng tubig kasi. Natuluan po ng tubig yung ating switch. Ayan.
Green.
Kaya siguro doon na grounded.
Yay! We did
So,
it.
tatatarin na lang natin to. Tuluan ng tubig to. Ayan. So, hiwain na lang po natin itong mga tira.
We have to
At ma-peppermint na ma-decompose naman siya. Tapos saka natin halo yung asukal. Hiwain lang natin itong ibang natirang isda.
Let's sing Twinkle Twinkle. Will you sing with me? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Ang aking apo po ay nanonood ng paborito niyang cartoons. Kaya narinig po ninyo yung sounds. Yan po. Yan po na. Isa na po. Nanonood po yung aking apo. Yan po ang kanyang pampatulog.
Can you do this twinkle fingers with me? Alright.
Habang nanonood kayo, may sounds. Hindi po sinasadya.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder
Ubusin lang natin to kasi sayang. Tatagtarin na lang natin. Nadudurog din naman siya.
like a diamond in
Hindi decompose naman siya sa loob ng isang buwan.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Where is the apple?
Yun na.
Where?
Hiwa na lang natin. Hindi natin giniling. Sira na po yung ating panggiling.
Do you think it's under the blanket? Let's check. Oh, wow! The apple was under the blanket. Where is the car? Where is it? Under the blanket? Let's check. Oh, vroom, vroom. The car was under the blanket. We found it. We found the car. I like cars. Look! It's a toy car. Car. Can you say car? Car. 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 Say vroom vroom. Paano the car about? Vroom vroom vroom. Here it is. Vroom vroom vroom. Going fast. So fast. Fast. Now it's going slow.
Ang ating ginagawa ay fermented fish juice.
Slow car. Bye bye car. Say bye bye to the car. Bye bye car. Can you say beep beep? Beep. Beep. Here comes the car. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Driving away.
Hey, can you see who I have with me? Yeah, it's my stuffy. Their name is Patches.
Bye.
We're going to be doing a song with our stuffies. Can we go get your stuffies so that we can sing along? Okay,
Napakarami pa nating hiwain.
you can follow along.
Dami pang istang hiwain.
stuffy on your heart, on your heart. Put your stuffy on your heart, on your heart. Put your stuffy on your heart. What a lovely way to start. Put your stuffy on your heart, on your heart. Put your stuffy on your knees, on your knees. Put your stuffy on your knees, on your knees. Put your stuffy on your knees, and you'll both be filled with glee. Put your stuffy on your knees, on your knees. Put your stuffy on your nose, on your nose. Put your stuffy on your nose, on your nose. Put your stuffy on your nose, then move it to your toes. Put your stuffy on your nose, on your nose. Put your stuffy on your head, on your head. Put your stuffy on your head, on your head. Put your stuffy on your head, then put them straight to bed. Put your stuffy on your head, on your head. Give your stuffy a big, big hug. Give your stuffy a big, big hug. Give your stuffy a big, big hug.
Nabasa sa talsik siguro.
So safe and loved.
Talsik yan.
Give your stuffy a big, big hug. Yeah. Oh, thanks for doing that song with me. Bye, Stuffy. Bye, friends.
Sunog yung ano.
Ito sino sunog?
Patakan ng ano.
Na,
Tubig. Dito.
baka pag dryer mo.
Hihiling ko nga. Sure. Susi po.
Talsikan yan o. Magkalat yung ano mo.
Roll it.
Talsikan.
With a B and put it in the oven for baby and me. Yay! What do we do with a brush or a comb? Yeah, we brush our
Ano
hair.
pa?
When our hair is messy, we brush it. Good job. What do we do with a phone?
Di ba kinakain sa inyo ito?
Yeah, we talk on the phone.
Lahat
Hello.
kumain sa inyo, no?
Hi, Mommy. How are you?
Bumlag ako.
Hi. What do we do with a fork? Yeah, we eat with a fork. Eat with a fork. We eat with a fork.
Paldo lang si Paldo na.
With a spoon. We eat with a spoon.
Paldo daw, paldo.
Paldo daw sa akin. Alam daw, ano na siya.
Good job.
Ang gabi siya eh. Tapos overtime.
You eat the ice cream and I'll eat
Ay po.
the dessert. You eat the lemon and I'll be the
Sorry.
squeeze. You be the hot dog and I'll be the bun. You be the baby and we'll have so much fun.
Ka-live yan o. Live. Hello. Thank you po for watching.
Can you shake it to
Shoutout po sa inyong lahat dyan.
shake, 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 shake,
Takpan mo,
shake,
alimutan mo.
Nagtap kami yung beauty ni Lulu mo.
Yay!
Yung nagamit niya na.
Ay, kapit na po matapos. Natin pong ibuburo, tatakpan na malinis sa tela. Ibuburo ng 1 buwan. At kakapasin, yun na po ang fermented fish juice. 1 kilong isda, 1 kilong asukal. Yun po ang ratio niyan. At pag nakuha niya na po yung katas, yung fermented fish juice, 3 kutsara o tablespoon sa 1 litrong tubig, haluin maigi, at yun po ang ipandidig, pang-spray sa inyong mga halaman. Nakakaasa po kayo na napakaraming bunga, titik sa bunga, at malusog po ang inyong halaman. At organiko po ang inyong ginamit. Hindi po tayo gumagamit ng mga synthetic o mga chemical na pataba. Organic po lamang. Meron po sa aking mga halaman, gulay, prutas. So, natapos na po natin. Ngayon, lalagyan naman natin yung ating asukal. Ayan. Kasi, sabi nga ni kaibigan Bombay, mekos lang po, mekos. Ayan. Haruin maigi. Ayan ating asukal. Lahat po ito ay 3 kilong asukal. 3 kilo po yung isda. 3 kilong asukal po yung ating lalagay. Para perfect po yung ating fermented fish juice. Ayan. Haluing maigi. Sure lang na malinis po inyong lalagyan para hindi po masira. Takpan na malinis na tela. Hindi mapasok yung mga insekto o anuman, langaw. Para hindi po masira yung ating fermented fish juice. Kasi pag pinasok po yung insekto, uuurin po yan, mabaho po. Sayang lang po yung ating pagod, ating mga fermented fish juice, masisira lang po. Pag yan po ay malinis talaga at magandang pagkakagawa, napakabango po niyan. Para pong caramel ang amoy. Pag nakuha niyo yung juice, napakabango po at caramel ang amoy. Dahil sa ating asukal. Kung meron po kayong molasses, yan po ay nakukuha sa mga gumagawa ng mga tubo, gumagawa ng mga asukal. Yun po maganda, molasses. 1 kilong isda, 1 kilong molasses din po. Dahil wala po tayong molasses, kaya ito po ang ating nagamit. Asukal na pula. Galing din po ito sa tubo. Pula po hindi po puti. Kasi yung puti po may chemical na po yun. Samantalang yung pula, pure pa po yan. Wala pong chemical yung asukal na pula. So, haluin natin maigi yan. Lalagyan natin yung asukal. So, haluin natin maigi. Kailangan napakita po sa inyo. Haluin natin maigi. Nakakita nyo itong asukal. Ayan po. Haluin natin. Halong-halo na po. Saka natin tatakpan. At ibuburo ng 1 buwan sa malilim na lugar. Hindi sa naiinit, hindi sa naarawan. O hindi na uulanan. Ayan na po. Tapos na po. Tatakpan na po natin mamaya ng tela yan at ilalagay sa malilim na lugar. Bukod sa tela, may takto po tayong ganito. Ayan. Ganyan po ang lagay ko kasi po malaki masyadong ano po. So hanggang dito na lamang po. Bye-bye. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Bye-bye po.